Hi guys, how are you? I want to show you in this video how you have to handle a truck when you are going down the hill. I will have soon in front of me, I'm on I-17 going south from Flagstaff to Phoenix, and I'm going to have a steep descending, a downgrade of 6% for 18 miles. So I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to explain what I'm going to do, how to use the engine brake, how to adapt the speed, and how to make it safe without using that runaway ramps. Yeah, no, we don't want to do that. So stay tuned, and you're going to see some nice sceneries until I will arrive there at the descending. Stay connected because the slope is in the second part of the video. Until then, admire the views and prepare for going fast down the hill. Okay, so stay tuned guys. So guys, in front we were going to have a descent, a grade of 6% for 18 miles. 6% for 18 miles. I'm not that heavy, so the load doesn't push me. If you saw what I did, it was a check brake area where I'm supposed to stop, but I just checked my brakes 1 hour ago, and I'm not heavy. Like I said, this descending, I'm not going to have problems because my engine brake is going to hold me. Now I just put the engine brake is on, the retarder is on the third gear, sorry, and I'm not even pushing the brakes. So you're going to see, and I'm going to tell you when I'm going to press the brakes, the brake pedal. So at the moment, although the descending, the grade is pretty steep, because I'm light, the engine brake brakes me sufficient to maintain a 68-65 miles per hour. Even now I cancelled the engine brake. Engine brake is off now. Now it's on again because the speed is 75 now, but like I told you, no problem. Okay. Now I'm going to press gentle the brakes because speed is increased. It was a cup. You saw the cup? On the left side it was a cup with a speed check camera. But I was okay. Hopefully. 77. I was having 77, so you're going to see if you're going to chase me or not. And now engine brake is off. Engine brake is off, and the cop is not, that officer is not coming for me. I'm good. But actually my speed was a little bit high. I have a truck that stays behind me, is touching my rear bumper. This guy he's crazy. So, like I said, engine brake is off again. Speed increases now, engine brake on at the maximum power. Again, the speed is just at the speed limit, 75. And this guy that was staying pressed and squeezed to my bumper is passing. This guy is empty, and that's why he's able to do that with no danger. His engine brake will going to work enough to brake his truck, to stop his truck, not brake. So this was, this lane lane is a lane closure on this steep descending, but everything is good. The guys in front, they are braking. Too hard. Constructions. These guys that they are working here, they are in danger so much. So that cab is coming for me or not? There was a police officer with a speed gun, and I saw him, but I think it was too late. If I would be over speed, I wouldn't have any chance to, I don't know, to brake, because I was already in his sight. He was like hiding so well. I don't understand. They are hiding. They want to catch you. In Europe is the same. But I was thinking that in the USA and Canada they are not doing that, but they are making that worse. They are hiding. At some point I saw some officer on the middle of the interstate between the ways with the gun, and it was nearly dark and his lights from his car was off. I was like a little shocked to see him there in the middle of the night, in the middle of the motorway, between the ways, the lines. Here is a nice place on the left side again where they can hide, but they are not here. Usually when I see them, I post on Google Maps. Police officer. Yeah. Again, the speed is a little bit too high, 77. Engine brake is on at full power. Like I told you, I don't have any doubt about the way that I'm driving here because I'm light. My load is light. Yeah. So again, the sign, 6% grade next 4 miles. 6%. Engine brake on, full power, at full power. I can see in front some trucks. They are braking harder, maybe because they are heavier and they are not able to maintain a safe speed, you know. So, since I started this descending, I pressed the brakes once. Just once, and I pressed the brakes just before that officer. I was lucky because I pressed the brakes. The speed was increasing a bit too high, but I pressed the brakes maybe 2 seconds. So the descending is almost done, and I pressed the brake pedal twice. Yeah. So guys, that was what I wanted to show you, the sceneries around Flagstaff, going south to Phoenix, Arizona, and the descending, the 6% descending for 18 miles was. So that was a steep descending. It just ended, and you have to adapt your speed with your load. If you're heavy, yeah, then I wouldn't be able to make it that fast. Now I was driving just at the speed limit, 75, 70, 75, 68, but not lower. If I would be twice as heavy, oh, I would start the descending maybe at 55 miles, maybe less. Depends on the mood. No, depends on the weight, like I said, and on the conditions of the truck, and you have to know how the engine brake works. In that way you will going to do it safe. A great driver was telling me once that no one died going slow. All the guys that had troubles, and some of them, yeah, died. That was because they were descending and going too fast down the slope. Because these great trucks, these big rigs, once you have your brakes hot and burning, they're not going to work at all, and you'll get to have some problems. You're going to get in trouble. So that comes with time, and take it slow. Not like me today. Slower. Slow. But like I said, I was so, and I'm so like so. So if you have any questions, please comment, subscribe, and like, and share it with a friend. Yeah? Okay, I'm going to end this here, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Stay safe.